Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss the controversial multi-role fighter aircraft, the F-35. Since it was first introduced, this aircraft has become the subject of heated debate in the military world. Let's take a deeper look at whether the F-35 is actually a failure or a success. Before we decide whether the F-35 is a failure or a success, let's look at its history. This aircraft was designed to meet the needs of many high-tech countries, but its development has not been free from technical problems, delays, and significantly increased costs. Some consider the F-35 a milestone in military technological progress. This aircraft offers advantages in stealth capabilities, advanced sensor technology, as well as extensive multi-role capabilities. All three variants, F-35A, F-35B, and F-35C, are capable of adapting to air, land, and sea requirements. However, many also criticize the F-35. Its high development costs, technical problems, and delays in production were major concerns. In addition, several questions have arisen regarding whether the F-35 lives up to expectations in real combat. So, is the F-35 actually a failure or a success? The answer may be more complex than we expect. Despite certain advantages and disadvantages, these aircraft also face significant challenges. Ultimately, the assessment of whether the F-35 succeeds or fails may depend on the context and evaluation criteria used. Thank you for watching this video. Of course, the debate over the F-35 will continue, and your opinion is valuable. Don't forget to leave your opinion in the comments column. And if you enjoy our content, don't hesitate to subscribe.